Hello viewers, happy to help you on this channel. Today I will share with you all a hunger management trick. This will be more beneficial for those who are living outside their homes, in PGs, in hostels or at rental places. So friends, it is a very easy and simple recipe, more easy than Maggie and healthy too. And provides you so many benefits and also good for those who are seeking for weight management programs. So let's start making of this healthy recipe, that is dalia. We need coconut, 2 or 3 almonds finely chopped, a teaspoon of milk powder and a teaspoon of sugar. Sugar is quite optional, and a small bowl of dalia or broken wheat. I boiled this dalia for 4 minutes exactly in electric kettle. Now we have to just put all these ingredients into this bowl and mix it well. So you can see that this is coconut, almond, milk powder and sugar, little bit melted because dalia is hot. Mix them all well. Friends, your dalia is ready now. It is very rich in calcium, fiber, iron, and other nutrients too. So you can take this in your breakfast and give you so many health benefits, especially in your weight management programs. Thanks for watching.